Let's go talk to Keenan. Hey! How's it going, Keenan?
You making fake ass TV right now?
It's real TV.
This is YouTube, man. This is real.
It was slightly compounded in my damn mixing room. You know, we can move that green truck down.
He likes working in a corner.
It's too late.
No one puts Kiki in a corner.
Nobody puts Kiki. I've gone too far. Well, how's your day going, Kiki? All right.
Getting more and more pit bike parts.
I told you I rode mine. It's sketchy. It doesn't turn great, and it's overpowered, so it's kind of like you hit a little, like you get into it, and then it starts getting real fast, and it's like you're kind of trying to hold on to the straightaway. It's sketchy.
There's my swing arm right there.
Oh, you got? Oh, okay. Was that about XRE?
Yeah. It's gonna have to be modified.
Race car parts. Race bike parts.
1988.
1988. When were you born?
87.
Forever the Sickest Ford is back. The guy that owned it, Jonathan Cook, actually sold it to somebody, and then they brought it back to us, and they want to do more work to it. So I guess it's good when they come back. All right. And then I've been gone most of the day, so I don't know what everybody's doing. So now this is kind of like an update, but it's also like I'd like to know where my guys are doing and what what's going on.
Hey Eric! Hey Casey!
Did you buy any tools today? Look at the drill bits!
Zach bought me those.
Dude, you work here long enough, we're gonna buy you a toolbox.
That'd be great. I could do that.
Jeez.
What's happening?
You got your own drill.
Yeah, I had an extra one at the house. I thought I'd bring one in when we were all short. And,
Not bad.
how's everybody today?
Good. Just kind of getting here. How's your day going?
Good.
Good work.
Wiring. Farm truck wiring. Piecing together the ignition switch. Now I'm making the courtesy light.
Oh, making that wire roll at the top, or you have to fix it.
Yeah. Gonna run the ground on it. And,
I'm guessing the mark.
yes. I'm gonna try and drill right there. Get that damn camera out of my damn face! Seen our youngest curmudgeon, Austin.
He's something else.
Caught him on a day getting a Band-Aid, huh?
Yep.
Oh, shoot.
Looks like you're rocking your own here.
We are. With the new wiring harness, we have to put a ground wire on the courtesy light so it doesn't ground off the body anymore.
Oh, I was talking about your one a day.
Oh, by one a day? Yeah.
How many cuts are you up to now on the farm truck?
Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4. I think only 4.
Okay. Seems like the last few times I've come in, you've had a new cut on your hand.
Yeah. Yep.
And then you even had to lay down this right here because Keenan almost ripped his leg in two.
Oh yeah, this is the Keenan warning.
Yeah, stay away from the yellow.
Yeah, stay away from the yellow. Yeah.
Rocking the new do.
Rocking the new do-ish. See, it's all nice and all hatted.
You don't look like a bush Wookie, Chewbacca.
No, I don't like what my hair does at all, so that's why I always wear a hat. Never happy with my hair.
So how's the seats coming along? Are you working the whole interior on this thing?
No, I did kick panels and I'm doing a console right now.
I would show it off, but it's too dark in there.
Yeah, I'm trying to keep it simple, but I think keeping it simple is taking me longer than if I just went crazy with it. You can kind of see the kick panels, they're gray.
The heck did KC go?
Well, I just finished his hood.
What do you think, Bruce?
Did I do a good job, Bruce?
You did all right.
Not bad. What are you doing today?
Me?
Yeah, you. What are you doing today?
I try to catch up, man. I've been busy on too many projects. My time has been stretched.
5:30.
I know. I'm trying to get a video out today. How did the Challenger turn out?
Challenger's good.
I hadn't seen it since like the middle of last week. Whenever Keenan and what's that guy's name?
Tim.
Tim.
So they got everything in it. So they had to pull that side. If I had to guess, probably 3/4 of an inch or more. Pull that rocker out. Because this tower is a Spinezi tower, and it actually is a pull tower. So it's got an attachment on it that you can hook onto it, and it's bolted to the ground. And then you can actually, it's got the clamps on it. You can hook the car onto it, and then you can pull on it. So we were able to pull the car, fix that, and then everything we did, we got the rear floor in. So this is two pieces. So this section's in, the rear floor's in, and then the trunk was not great.
Right.
And I was worried that when it came back from the blaster that it wouldn't be any good at all. So we went ahead and replaced the floor. All that's left now is these what they call trunk gutters on this one.
Yeah, Tim said this rear panel was really rough.
Oh,
like he
man.
said that it had been pretty mangled.
Super mangled. And they'd repaired it over the years. It was welded in really bad. You could see what we had to do to
Yeah, he
get
said
it
that
out.
they didn't put the typical
spot welds
back. They just straight welded it in.
Yeah. So the rear panel, Austin's over there now rebuilding the rear panel because out of all the stuff you can't buy for these cars, you can't buy a rear tail panel for a 71. You can buy it for 70, 72 and 3, but you can't buy it for 71 for some reason. It's got its own set of different tail lights. So we had no choice but to buy one. I mean, to replace this one since we couldn't buy one. So Austin's rebuilding that. Once that's done, this is ready to go back in place. And then over here we had to do the lower quarter panel patch on this side. It needs a little more grinding left on it, so don't judge it yet. But it all lines up. Like when we put this door on there the first time, this rocker, like this whole section was in. I mean, you could put your hand in there behind it. And after we pulled it, this is the original rocker. After we pulled it, everything lined up. So this car's ready to roll. I'd really like to see this car go to the blaster really soon, because we're not doing any body modifications to this car as far as exteriors. Like everything's gonna bolt back on. Factory
Guys
headlights,
keeping it real
taillights.
classic.
Extremely. It's getting bolt-in suspension, no 4-link, no nothing. It's getting like 18-inch wheels. It's gonna be purple, the plum crazy purple. And then it's got a 340 motor in it with an automatic. We're gonna do a 340, but he'd like to do an overdrive transmission, automatic overdrive transmission. Fuel injection, and that's it. Other than that, I mean, this car can fly. Bruce can knock this thing out real quick. So if we can just get it, if we get the tail panel fixed in there and everything lines up good, we're gonna build the car one more time to make sure all the gaps look great. And then if they do, then it's off to the blaster, off to the races. Come back, start body working, paint it, put it together.
Nice. That'll look cool.
This is gonna be a really cool car, and the guy that's had it's had it forever too. So this is, he's had it for like 30-something years.
Oh wow.
So
He'll be super stoked.
yeah. So cool old guy comes in here, just kind of talks to you like he's your grandpa. You know what I mean? That's pretty cool. So I want to get it done for him. He made one comment, which he said he'd like to drive it one more time before he can't drive anymore. So we're gonna try to, if we can, we'd like to get it done for that. So big project here. Other than that, shop's doing good. Everybody's lined up. We got more work than we can handle right now. I'd like to be able to get through it all. Looking for a really good fabricator if anybody knows anybody. We need another one. But other than that, that's it. Daily update. Austin and Steven have been working on the same car for a little while, so not much of an update there.
Okay.
except that they're just working on it. They're doing good though. You know, I pulled him off to do this one. We've been playing with Steve Mills' truck, so if any of y'all have followed us, you've seen our F100 we built. We built most of it. It's 68 F100. It's like a tan color, brown, whatever you want to call it. And that's his other truck. It's a 60 F100. We're going to do a Coyote automatic. Where his truck has got like a pieced together chassis. This is a full chassis truck. And where his got a carbureted motor in it. We're going to do all fuel injection in this one. So it's everything he wishes he had done on his other one, but it's too nice and put together. Why would you take it apart to go back under construction? And he really likes this 60 fridge, as he calls it. So I think that would be a really cool one to go out and autocross. We're hoping to have it done. We won't have it done for the spring, Texas, because that's only March 23rd, so it's 2 months away. I don't think we can have it done by then. But we're shooting to have it done for Texas Good Guys in the fall, which I think is a no-brainer. But I think by then we'll have all the bugs worked out of it, and hopefully we can go out and kill a couple sets of tires at the autocross and have some fun. So,
I haven't actually gotten an update on it yet, or I haven't even gotten an introduction on it.
on that one?
Yeah.
Austin's over there screaming and yelling and listening to a bunch of music, so now is probably not the best time to do it, but
Yeah.
we'll catch up.
I
I'd
got
like to
his
do-
message earlier.
Huh?
I got his message earlier.
Oh,
Loud and clear. He don't want a camera in there right now.
good for him. I guess that's it. That's it for me today. Nothing too crazy. I just got here. I was here this morning. I had some things I had to go do this afternoon. So just getting here, checking in with everybody. Keith's gone all week.
Oh, is he really?
Yep, he'll be gone Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday this week. His boy's going to a camp and he's going with him. So
And we don't have any footage from the weekend because nothing happened this weekend.
yeah, we wanted to build a dirt bike track. Plans got messed up. We who wants to hear a bummer story? But one of our dogs passed away this weekend, so that made it pretty rough for the family. And playing with dirt bikes wasn't the thing on our priority list. So
Yeah.
hopefully everybody this weekend will feel a little bit better, and we can maybe do it this weekend instead. I hope. Like I said, I rode my dirt bike, my new killing machine, I think, because that thing it's sketchy at best. It is way faster than the suspension will handle. So, but it's cool. It'll be fun. Get you out there.
Yeah.
Curious to see. I want to see you jump that thing.
We'll see.
The one jump that was out there when you were out there
Mhm.
is not near as fun as the one we built the day that everybody was leaving.
Yeah, I missed out on that.
The next one hucks you. It's good. It doesn't shoot you so awkward. It just launches you straight out. So it's a good one. Luke jumps it pretty hard. I was hitting it yesterday in third gear pin, and you could definitely do it faster than that. It's good.
I hope my little Chinese bike will hold together with all this man meat landing on top.
It just breaks in half.
See the wheels go flying off.
The wheel comes off and the forks dig
Yep.
in, and you go.
Evil Knievel ragdolling.
Oh yeah, cool deal. All right, Eric. I got things to do.
All right, man.
Love seeing you.
See ya.
Go.